In this video we will learn what is the benefit of using ChatGPT. Why should we use ChatGPT or any other AI tool? Actually ChatGPT is one of the AI tool. So there are lots of AI tools in the market, so whenever you will jump into the market, so that time you will find lots of now also like Gemini and other tools are available for content creating and all those things. So those things are there, but why ChatGPT? It is so we will learn. Actually that is the thing we will learn. And if you know how to use ChatGPT, and if you know the benefits of ChatGPT, then for other applications also, other tools also, almost the same thing you will find it out, the benefits and all those things. You can the same kind of work you can do for other AI tools also. Okay, so in this video we will learn what is the benefit of using ChatGPT. Why should we use ChatGPT? So the first thing is actually, if you want to increase our productivity, our means any kind of suppose you might be an individual, you might be a business. In the next video I will explain industry wise how you can get the benefit out of it. So here we will learn that the basic idea we will get, that suppose as an individual person, as a businessman, as a content creator, as a video marketer, or as a digital marketer, so everyone can get benefit from the chat GPT. So how if we want to create our productivity, how we can create our productivity? Suppose if you are a content creator, so here I have written some of example. So suppose you are a content creator and you can create it very quickly. Suppose if you want to write a content of 1000 words, so it will take more than 2 hours, 3 hours I think, for the content research, writing and all those things. That is the thing. But here you will get the quick response. Suppose you are writing a headline and all those things, automatically 1000 words content will be created within 2 to 3 minutes, less than 2 minutes it will be created. So it is very fast. So if you want to increase our productivity, you means you also, me also, if we want to increase our productivity, in that case we need to use ChatGPT. Automated response means suppose you have created a you have created a bot, chatbot you have created, so automatically while you are sleeping or while you are busy, so that time also that can generate your response. Suppose one customer has visited your store at after 2 a.m. So that time suppose you are sleeping, of course we are sleeping, so so that time you will not be able to respond to that customer. So customer will think, okay, so I that application is not good, that is service is not good, I am not getting the response. That kind of feedback might come. So what you can do is, if you create a chatbot, like it will work for 24/7 without any intervention. And now also I think you have seen in the market, in the bank industry now or any other industry, I can't remember right now, they are using the chatbot also. Suppose you are going there for help, so it will ask, okay, hey, what's your name, please help me with your name. So you are providing your name, then it will ask, okay, please tell me your mobile number, please help me with the mobile number, or please help me with the email ID. So you will provide those details, and after that, suppose they have 5 products, 1 2 3 4 5. So now it will ask automatically. It is not a human introduction. So automatically the chatbot, it is trained, it has been trained, feed it such a way that it will respond automatically. So you have feed it like that way. So now what will happen? Suppose, okay, so we have 5 products, so which product on which product we can help you, on which product we can help you. So suppose you are saying, okay, the product number 2. So that time what will happen? Product number 2. So what kind of issue you have regarding this product number 2? Now you want to refund, yeah, you are not accessing logging user, like that way you will. I have seen lot of things, but you will also suppose whenever any bank industry or any other software industry, you will go for customer help or anything. So that time you will get that kind of chatbot. It is automatically. So now the things are being complicated. So that time what you will do that time. Okay, so based on my knowledge, I can provide this solution only. So if you want to get more about this, okay, so we are connecting our representative, expert. Some that time, suppose some sort of question you have feeded that application, some sort of questions, and now it's going to the complication. Now it's going to the advanced section. So now what you will do, now the chatbot will redirect to the any human. Okay, so now it is Saturday, so we are close, we will connect on Monday, our representative will connect on Monday. So like that way you can set all those things. So automatically you are responding to your customer while you are sleeping, while you are busy with other work. So that is it. Next is a cost saving. It is of course it's a cost saving application. Suppose it will reduce the labor cost, it will scalable solution is there. Okay, so suppose just now I have told the story that suppose you have created a chatbot, and now suppose think you that suppose you are hiring 3 people for 1 month for a 3 shift, because if you want to provide the service 24 into 7, that time minimum 2 or maximum 3 people you need to be hired, you need to hire. Okay, so the 3 people cost, suppose for an example, I don't know what business you are in, so suppose it is 20,000, so it will cost you 60,000 rupees per month. But if you fix a chatbot, it's a one time investment. Then the maintenance cost other will be there, it's a one time investment. So it will respond automatically 24 into 7 hours, 24 into 7. So you will reduce, of course that application price may not be that amount, but it is one time investment. It will work for 1 month, 6 month, 1 year, as long as you want, but it will reduce your labor cost. Suppose you want to hire a content creator for writing some article, so a freelancer will charge you 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, 5000 rupees based on the article and all those things. But if you tell ChatGPT will provide the same kind of content, it will for free. Or if you take the premium version, it will $20, I think it is $20 per month. So it is also less, you can create unlimited content, unlimited search and all those things you can do. So it will suppose you want to, you are a video creator, you want some idea, so so that thing also you can get from ChatGPT. So it will reduce your cost, any marketing cost, any marketing cost, any solution, if you will get it for free. So it will reduce, the main thing is it will reduce your cost a lot. Okay, and scalable solution. So scalable solution means suppose you are focusing on the other important work. Now ChatGPT is doing your work, chatbot is doing your minor work. So now you can focus your main complicated or any other higher important task you can do. So you can scale your business, you can scale your service. Okay, so the third thing is increase productivity, cost saving, then enhance customer experience. I have already told you that how you can enhance customer. So it is not possible to keep 3 person per day, 3 shifts you need to do. So in that case what you can do is you can create a chat bot. It will respond 24 into 7 automatically. So you can create better customer experience. Okay, your customer will think, okay, so now it is 3 a.m. So will I get the response? So if you provide response, if you provide the solution, the customer will be satisfied, and he or she will come again and again about your brand, about your product. What else you can do? You can do the scalable personalized interaction. So of course it will be the personalized interaction. Suppose, hey Mr. Taposh, hey Mr. XYZ. So whenever you will fetch data, suppose they will do the logging. Okay, so after logging all the details will be there, name, phone number, and mail ID. So you can greet that customer, hey suppose how can I help you today, like that way. Again, so your question is regarding product number 1, product number 2, or product number 3 you have given. Okay, so we are sorry that you are facing this kind of problem. Okay, let me help you. So how can I help you? Do you want a refund? Do you want upgrade, or any kind of solution? So you can personalize to all those things. You can pre-train that application, and that if someone asks this question, answer this question. If someone asks this question, answer that question. Like that way you can pre-train that application, and you can personalize to all those things, so that your customer experience will be better. Now the versatility means it's supports with a range of application, wide range of application. Suppose if you want to any industry, as I told you earlier, that any industry you can use it. Suppose marketing purpose, customer service purpose, education purpose, healthcare industry, any other health, wealth, and relationship. Three things are most important. So you can, if you are any industry, so you can use this application. Is a wide range of application. And one more good thing is multi-language support. Multi-language support means you can't ask ChatGPT with any other language apart from Hindi, apart from English, but you can get the response with any other language. Suppose you are telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, please write a story about please summarize the book 10x rule in Hindi language, or in Tamil language, in Spanish language. So it will translate you. It will translate, and it will provide the summaries. It will summarize the article based on your requirement language. Suppose my case might be Bengali, might be Hindi. So it will summarize in Bengali, or it will summarize in Hindi. So I will show you when we will test. We will practical. We will do. So that time also I will show you. Okay, so multi-language support. Then the creativity and innovation. Suppose you want some ideas, you want to create something, you need some ideas, you can't understand how to do, what to do. In that time also you can take the help of ChatGPT or any other tool. Suppose idea generation. If you want to, suppose I don't know anything about artificial intelligence, AI, so I want to ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, I don't know anything about, my background is not IT related, or any data science related, or technology related. So I don't know anything about artificial intelligence. Could you please help me? Could you please tell me about artificial intelligence? What is artificial intelligence? All. So it will provide a vast a description. It will simplify all those things. Suppose you don't know anything about artificial, in that case it will simplify more. Okay, this you need to know about ChatGPT, how it works, like this it will explain. And now you are asking, okay, I my background is IT background, and I know I'm quite experienced about artificial intelligence. Could you please provide me the advanced knowledge about artificial intelligence? In that case the content will be more advanced level, more expert level, more powerful. So that you can understand that, because you know already what is artificial, the basic and intermediate idea you have. Now you want to know about advanced or expert level. So that's how it will explain, like that way. If you tell ChatGPT or any other AI tools that I know what will be the result, I don't know what will be the output, you can feel it. So I will show when we will do the practical session, that time we will show. And then content diversification helps create diverse type of content, from blog post to social media. So any kind of suppose if you tell ChatGPT, okay, I want to send mail to my audience, so what will be the content? So the format, it will select automatically what kind of format, what kind of template might be for an email. Suppose the same question you are asking, but you are saying, okay, I want to create a blog post on this topic. So in that case ChatGPT or any other AI tool, it knows that how to create a blog post. So in that case your content topic will be the same, but if you tell for mail create it, for blog create it, for social media post you create it, for LinkedIn post you create it. So like that way it will understand the so the content format, content template will be different, so it will consider automatically, and it will create content for you. Okay, now improve efficiency. If you want to improve our efficiency, we will spend less time, do more work, that kind of thing. So in that case we should use ChatGPT or any other AI tool. So streamlined process, automated and speed up workflows. Yes, we can process the automated process, we can do automatically, it will work. Suppose if we connect with any other chatbot or any other tools, automatically it will generate content and it will post for you. Consistent quality, you can create consistent high quality output and reducing need of extensive revision. Yes, so the quality, the same kind of quality you can continue with your customer. So in that way your product or your service, the customer experience will be satisfied. The customer will be very happy about your service and product, because you will continue the same quality of your product or same quality of your service. Okay, accessibility. Accessibility means it is very user friendly. So it is very user friendly interface. I think the previous video we saw the interface of ChatGPT. So it is very user friendly, just simple language you need to write. What is your output about, so what is your question, what is your query, so it will provide answer. So it is user friendly, the interface. And broad reach, accessible to business, to all sizes, from startup to large enterprise. As I told you earlier, that ChatGPT or any other tool for everyone, actually everyone, every industry, every person can use it. Okay, then the next thing is data driven insight. So you can if you are a analytics field, data analysis and all those things, you can use this ChatGPT or any other artificial tools for summarize and interprets complex data, providing valuable insights and aiding decision making. So what happens is, if you are a analytics field, so you can very easily you can take the output from ChatGPT or any other tools, and you can provide a data driven approach to your client or to your business also. Market research, you can do the market research and provide the market research means market research. You can research it that in future what kind of business we can expect, the customer feedback, what kind of problem they are facing. So based on that problem you can make your product better, you can make your service better. So that kind of thing you can do. Okay, I think that's it for this video. We have learned that the benefits of using ChatGPT or any other tool. So again I'm saying, this ChatGPT and AI tools are for everyone, starting from a individual person to a expert level person. So for everyone, ChatGPT or any other AI tools are very important. In going forward, we will learn how we will use, which industry will get more benefit. Actually it is for everyone, but still I will provide some example based on the industry, so that you can understand better that yes, we should use ChatGPT or any other tool for our productivity, for solve our problem, to increase our productivity, efficiency level and all those things. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video, where we will learn that industry wise how you can get benefit from ChatGPT or any other AI tools. Okay, thank you.